Government is not strong enough. Karnataka government has been playing easy on this, and first and foremost ensure that any person who shares the videos is arrested. All those victims need to be protected. All those victims need to be atmosphere created by the government, and that their testimony, their identities need to be so well secured. The government is not strong enough. Karnataka government has been playing easy on this. I'm such ashamed that this government is not taking very serious steps on it, even in the court. First and foremost, it must give free hand to the special public prosecutor. Special public prosecutor is a well-known human rights activist. Today he is the state public prosecutor as well, Mr. Venkatesh, and known for his excellent work. And he is one of the proponents of constitutional values and rights. He has a great amount of work, more than a decade now, on the issues, various issues on death penalty and every aspect. And we wish him that the government gives him total free hand and listens to his advice. Any person who handles a case of this nature will first and foremost say that how the victims are going to be protected from these kind of persons. In fact, the kind of influence this family and the persons will, it's dangerous for women to come out and speak about them. So therefore there is a crying need that the government creates a good program, safe program for women to be protected. And first and foremost ensure that any person who shares the videos is arrested. Whomsoever shares it, whoever puts it in any website or any particular form, electronic media, social media, they need to be arrested. Action need to be initiated on anyone. Strict directions need to be issued by the government and public notice that anyone sharing will face consequences. That need to be the first notice. Second, need to be that the kind of protection that they are going to provide for women. It's not that one statement that we will be helpful to you. It is that they should have a structured, organized program of protection of witnesses. That's an essential element in this particular case, given the kind of influence that the family has and the unfortunate situation of many of the members, and the women being members of the political party or the wives or family of the members of the same political party, and the officials of the government. It is needed that they need to be given absolute protection and total privacy. And that's something which is essential in this particular case. Names need to be avoided altogether in these proceedings, and ensure that the kind of therapy need to be given. Women need to be encouraged to see that how they have been coerced. Many of them may feel guilty that they are being that they had no that they may present a case with consensual sex. It's not consensual. It's on coercion. It's on threat. I think that such kind of a thing have happened in this particular case. All those victims need to be protected. All those victims need to be atmosphere created by the government, and that their testimony, their identities need to be so well secured in this particular case. There is a need for the same. So only then there will be some kind of a justice to the victims in this particular case. And this is a crime against society. This is not a crime against one or two women. This is a crime against society. It is a crime against the rule of law. It's a crime against the human being, against human nature, basic human nature. An inhuman creature, a beast. Even bestiality is the only word which we can say that this is the kind of person this Prajwal Revanna is, the scoundrel. I think they need to be acted upon, and he need to be ensured that he is sent behind bars first and foremost, and investigation need to be totally free, and there should be no room allowed by the government that any of these persons or the family have ability to influence the witnesses or their families.